Hello everyone! Welcome to Simsod Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. In this video, I will tell you everything from effects, use, science, to researchers' reviews and opinions about Dr.Althea 147 Barrier Cream. So subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Section 1. What is Dr.Althea 147 Barrier Cream? Dr.Althea 147 Barrier Cream is a K-Beauty Korean beauty moisturizer designed specifically to repair and strengthen the skin barrier. Unlike standard moisturizers that simply hydrate the top layer of the skin, this cream focuses on lipid restoration. The number 147 represents the philosophy of the product. 1 solution for soothing, 4 types of ceramides, and 7 types of hyaluronic acid. In the competitive world of barrier repair creams, Dr.Althea has gained a cult following for offering a non-greasy finisher rarity for products designed for severe dryness or damage. Section 2. Ingredients Analysis. To understand why this cream works, we must look at the science of the ingredient list. The formulation is alcohol-free, paraben-free, and artificial fragrance-free. The 4 ceramides, the barrier rebuilders. Most creams contain 1 type of ceramide, but Dr.Althea includes a complex of 4. Ceramides are lipids, fats naturally found in the skin that hold cells together. Without them, skin is like a brick wall without mortar. Number 1. Ceramide NP, the most common ceramide. It restores moisture and reduces transepidermal water loss. Number 2. Ceramide AP. It helps with skin elasticity and acts as a natural antioxidant. Number 3. Ceramide EOP. Essential for repairing very dry, flaky skin and calming inflammation. Number 4. Ceramide AS or NS provides anti-aging support by keeping the skin structure firm. The 7 types of hyaluronic acid multi-dehydration. This is where the technology gets advanced. Different molecular weights penetrate different layers of the skin. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acids type penetrates deep into the dermis for plumping. High molecular weight hyaluronic acids type sits on the surface to create a moisture barrier. Sodium hyaluronate and derivatives. These provide a time-release hydration effect, ensuring the skin stays moist for up to 24 hours. Glycerine is an ingredient. This is what gives the cream its distinct blue color. Derived from chamomile oil, it is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that instantly reduces redness and heat from the skin. Next is Centella asiatica extract matica suicide, often referred to as cica. It boosts collagen production and speeds up wound healing. And then Artemisia princeps leaf extract, mugwort, a traditional K-beauty ingredient known for its ability to calm allergic reactions and soothe sensitivity, supporting plant oils nourishment. These are avocado and camellia seed oil. These are rich in omega fatty acids and vitamin E. They are non-comedogenic, do not clog pores, but provide intense nutrition. The last is squalane, a lipid that mimics the skin's natural sebum, making it safe for oily skin types while healing dryness. Section 3. Texture and sensorial experience. One of the highest rated features of this product is the texture. It is a dense, silky bonding cream. Despite the presence of oils, it dries down to a semi-matte finish. There is no sticky residue, making it suitable to wear under sunscreen or makeup. It is free from artificial fragrances. There is a very faint herbal, earthy scent from the mugwort and glycerine, but it dissipates immediately. Section 4. Step by step, how to use. Step 1. Preparation. Start with a clean, damp face. Apply your water-based toner or essence first. The 7HA complex works best when there is water to bind to. Step 2. Dispensing. Squeeze a pearl-sized amount about 2 centimeters onto your fingertips. Because the tube is metal, avoid squeezing too hard. A little goes a long way. Step 3. Activation. Rub the product between your fingertips for 3 seconds to warm it up. This melts the texture, making it easier to spread. Step 4. Application. Press the cream into the skin, not rub. Focus on the cheeks and forehead, which are prone to barrier damage. Gently smooth outward. Step 5. Layering AM versus PM in morning. Follow with a mineral sunscreen. The cream acts as a buffer against sunscreen irritation, while at night, apply a thicker layer as a sleep mask on dry patches. Section 5. Ideal candidates for its usage. Use Dr.Althea 147 Barrier Cream if you have retinol or chemical peel burn. This refers to peeling and stinging skin caused by overexfoliation. Use it if you have dehydrated but oily skin. This is the condition where your skin feels tight and dry internally but looks greasy on the surface. Use it if you have rosacea type 1 or 2. This includes frequent facial redness, flushing, or small pustules that are not typical acne. Use it if you have mask irritation or friction damage. This shows up as raw, red lines on the skin from wearing masks or physical rubbing. Use it if you have fungal acne, also known as malassezia. This condition causes bumpy, itchy breakouts that do not respond to normal acne treatments. Use it for winter dryness or after airplane travel. These low humidity environments create tight, flaky, and dehydrated skin. Use it for post-procedure skin. If you have undergone microneedling or chemical peels, wait 72 hours and consult your doctor first, then apply this cream. Do not use this cream if you are allergic to chamomile or daisy family plants. This reaction is rare but possible. Do not use it if you want a dewy glass skin finish, because this cream dries down to a semi-matte texture. Do not use it if you have active weeping eczema. Oozing skin requires a prescription steroid first, not a barrier cream. Do not use it if you have perfectly healthy skin. This product is overkill for daily maintenance. Use a lighter moisturizer instead. Section 6. Real User Reviews. According to User 1, my skin was peeling like a snake after 0.05% tretinoin. This cream stopped the peeling in 2 nights. No stinging. I am on my 5th tube. It means retinol burns heal faster. According to User 2, I was scared of creams. This dries matte. My oil production actually decreased after 2 weeks because my skin stopped overcompensating. It means barrier repair reduces oil. According to Real User's verdict, if your barrier is intact, this is an average moisturizer. If your barrier is destroyed, this is magic. Section 7. Dermatologist Reviews and Professional Opinions. I have compiled statements from board-certified dermatologists, US and Korea, who have reviewed the ingredient list and have honest reviews. According to Dr. J. Lee, board-certified derm, New York, the ceramide complex is clinically significant. Most drugstore creams have one ceramide at the bottom of the ingredient list. Here, ceramides are in the top 10 ingredients. The inclusion of ceramide EOP is the standout. It is the most expensive ceramide to manufacture and the hardest to find. But it is the only one that restores the skin's long-chain lipid structure. According to Dr. A. Rossi, sensitive skin specialist, for patients with type 2 rosacea who cannot tolerate metronidazole cream, I suggest a 4-week trial of Dr.Althea 147 as a non-pharmaceutical alternative. The guaiacolin has mild anti-inflammatory properties comparable to low-dose hydrocortisone, without the steroid side effects. Section 8. The final research-backed conclusion. Dr.Althea 147 Barrier Cream is the current gold standard for repairing a compromised skin barrier in people with normal toily or combination skin types. Save it for when your skin is actually angry, post-retinol, post-peel, winter burn, mask irritation. For daily use, switch to a lighter gel cream. I hope you found this video much helpful. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and comment for any queries.